In the following question, you are asked which method of water purification can be used to obtain drinkable water from seawater. One thing that you must know is that seawater has a lot of salt in it. So if you want, the reason you can't drink seawater is because of the high quantity of salt. So when you drink seawater, you actually get dehydrated because all the water from your body actually is removed when you drink salt water. So you need to get rid of the salt, and the only process that gets rid of salt is called desalination. So whenever in coastal cities, when you're making drinking water from seawater, you first have to remove salt. So desalination is the process that specifically applies to seawater. And I have this diagram drawn to show how desalination works. It's a process called reverse osmosis, where you take seawater which has a lot of salt particles and you apply pressure to it and you pass it through a semi-permeable membrane. So this membrane does not allow salt particles to pass. It's a very fine mesh. So it won't allow salt particles to pass through. So the salt particles are going to remain behind, whereas only pure water would pass through the semi-permeable membrane. And this is the side where you're going to get fresh water or pure water that contains lesser amount of salt particles. So this is what desalination is, and this is how it works.